Well, hello, boys and girls. It's your favourite grumpy granny from Groggy's Patch, and I am back once again to teach you a little something about eBay. Today, I am going to teach you how to trick eBay's AI into giving you the perfect jeans listing. Because if you fill out all your item specifics, the result's not so great. So let's just pop over and see our listing, which I've already inserted the photos into. So I use templates for my listings. So I have one already set up for women's jeans. So it creates the right category and some certain things like the condition and stuff that already puts in. And I've loaded my photos in to give us a bit of a head start. So we're just going to quickly go through and put in our title and whatever else we need to do. Now I just need to get my listings up so I know exactly. I can see the photos over there. So we're going to start off with the brand, which these are Lee Cooper jeans, women's size 8, and they are blue. They are stretch denim, and we might just go back and put distressed, faded denim, and they are Edith boyfriend. Whoops. Oh, can't fit that in, so we'll take the Edith out and we'll just put boyfriend in there because they're boyfriend jeans, which is the style. So if we just go underneath, you'll see the AI has already taken things out of our title that we can automatically put in. So you quickly run your eyes over that. Brand's correct, colour's correct, size is correct, style is correct. We select them all. So that's fine. It's already dropped those down into our item specifics. Then we've got our SKU, which I'm also going to just pop in here. So I'm just putting in here. So this is my record, and so that I know exactly where they are, where I bought them, and how much they cost. This particular pair of jeans, have a $0 cost because I was able to pick them up for free at a local op shop near me that has free clothes Fridays. And they cost me nothing. But the important thing is that I need to put the SKU number in, which is the main thing on jeans, which is, so they're 0030. So I've just started a new numbering system using little silver pre-printed numbers. So I've restarted my numbers from where they started again. And before that, I'm just going to put the date that I've listed them, which is today, of course, in there so that I've got that as a record. And these will be cross-listed to depop, so I'm going to put the DP in there so that I know that I have cross-listed them later on. Now you'll see it's already filled in the brand, the size, the style, the colour, and it has the department down there. If they're a style of jean that are unisex, you can actually drop that down and change it to unisex. But these are essentially women's jeans. And we're going to have a look at the rise. And the rise is I'm going to say mid-rise they are. They're a regular fit, so that's fine. And then we just have a quick look at the features. And I have these already put in my actual template. But it's much easier. I don't have to scroll down and pick each one out. I can just untick any that don't fit. These all fit. Comfort, distressed, pocket, stretch. So they're all good. Now, the trick is what we're going to do is we're not going to fill out the theme because the AI does strange things with the theme and gives us silly sentences. So we're going to leave that out. The size type is fine. Material will be fine because they are a blend of cotton and elastane for the stretch. And then the closure is already set at button and zip, which is fine. Just change that if you need to, if it's a button-up fly. And then we have to put our measurements in here. So our waist size is going to be 27 inches. And it's very standard to do all your jeans measurements in inches, just in case you are wondering. And then I'm going to have a look at the inside leg measurement, which is a 29 inches. There. Look, Yeah, I'm going to say by the tags. I mean, I haven't dated them, but they're possibly 2000s, I'm going to say, but I'm going to say no to the vintage side of things at the moment. Fabric wash, I'm going to say this is actually a light wash because they are quite faded. We're going to have a look at the accents and see if there's anything extra to add in, but we've got logo pockets and top stitching for jeans. I keep that as standard. And then we've got the model. So these are, as I said, Lee Cooper and their Edith boyfriend, because that is what the tag says. So we'll select that. Pattern. Now, normally we would go down here and we would choose solid. And then the AI says silly things like, these jeans are of a solid pattern, which sounds really silly. So we're going to actually leave that out. The other thing we're going to deliberately leave out is a country of manufacture. Now, I'm just going to have a look and just see what is the country of manufacture. Very likely these ones are vintage because they're actually made in Cambodia, I'm going to say. So, well, look, if they're a modern pair of jeans, don't put anything in at all. These ones being older, made in Cambodia, you could put that in. But I've found that then the AI seems to think even though you have handmade marked as no, it will put in that they were handmade in Cambodia. And we don't want to do that because then we have to alter that. So we're trying to create a listing that has everything we need in it, that doesn't sound silly, that doesn't sound stilted, and that we don't have to edit at the end. So we're going to leave the country of manufacture blank. We're also going to leave the garment care, which normally we would go down and put in machine washable, but we're going to also leave that blank because, yeah, the AI just creates strange little things when you do that. So then we go down, we've got our description, which is already preset in because I have that in my template. And in case you're wondering, it says good to very good pre-owned condition with any visible flaws, marks or damage shown in the photos and noted in the description. When buying pre-loved, please consider that clothing may slightly shrink or stretch over a period of time, depending on the fabric type, how it was cared, and how it was previously cared for. Hence, the sizing tag may not match the sizing listed. And then I say things like the condition of recycled clothing is often subjective to individuals, and occasionally small marks or issues may be missed. I provide plenty of photos of the garment you will receive because they say a picture paints 1,000 words. Please check the photos carefully as they form part of the description and can more than accurately describe this garment better than any blurb I might write. So, yeah, bit of a thing in there, but it provides all the information. So we're going to come down to what we're actually here talking about, which is the description. So what we're going to do is click on the AI button. And because we've left those specific things out, this actually should create a listing, which I shouldn't really need to do anything to, but we will check. So it says, get ready to add the Lee Cooper Edith boyfriend jeans to your wardrobe. These blue denim jeans are designed with a regular fit and a mid-rise waist of 27 inches, making them comfortable for all-day wear. The distressed and faded detailing adds a touch of style to the design, while the top stitching, logo, and 5-pocket design make them practical and functional. Made of cotton and elastane fabric, these jeans are light and stretchy, ensuring a comfortable fit. The fabric wash is perfect for all seasons, whether it's autumn, winter, spring, summer, or spring. These jeans feature a zip and button closure and have an inside leg of 29 inches. They are perfect for any casual occasion and are a great addition to any outfit. Now, look, although we're trying to create the perfect listing, this hasn't actually really done it for me this time. So what are the things that we should leave out? Well, I think we should leave out that they've got the 5-pocket design in there. Like honestly, yeah. And I think we should leave out the fabric wash. And I'm going to say we should leave out the seasons even. So let's try again. So we're going to clear out the 5-pocket design. I'm going to clear out the seasons because, look, honestly, I think no matter which country you lived in, jeans are an all year round type of thing. They certainly are in Australia. And what was the other thing? Was that all that we were going to? Distressed and faded detailing adds a touch of the fabric wash, the seasons, and the 5-pocket design. So the fabric wash is the other one I'm going to clear so that it won't mention that either. Right, so now we've cleared out, again, hopefully enough. So let's undo the AI description and let's give it another shot. Use the AI description writing. Oh, that's better. Much shorter, which I like for a start. Lee Cooper Edith boyfriend jeans are comfortable, stylish, and perfect for a casual day out. These blue denim jeans feature a distressed and faded look, which is perfect, with top stitching and the Lee Cooper logo adding a touch of uniqueness. Made from a blend of cotton and elastane, the jeans are stretchy and have a mid-rise waist of 27 inches. The zip and button closure and pockets add practicality to the jeans. With a regular fit and an inside leg of 29 inches, these jeans are a great addition to any wardrobe. Much better. So just by leaving those particular item specifics out. Now, I struggled with this for a while because I'm very much a person. We'll finish this listing off. So I'm just going to go down a line. Then in my custom templates. Now, if you've never used normal templates, if you've got a store, or the custom templates, which you don't need a store to use before, and you want to know how to use them, you can go back and watch my previous video, and I will link. I'll link both of those to the end of this video. And I do have a custom logo that I've made for jeans, which I will insert, and it puts my little blurb in there that I want to have. So it says the measurements are taken with the garment laying flat, and, compare the measurements with something you already own so you can ensure a good fit. And then I say these particular jeans appear to have been well cared for and show little wear with an appealing fade. Wow. We're going to just take the little out. I've set this up so that I only have to change one or two things. So we're going to just change that and say with appealing fade and distressing, because they do have a lot of distressing, these jeans. So we've done that, and then photographs of the actual jeans you receive, and then about the shipping comes in after that. So we'll go down. I'm going to start these at $24.88, and postage is how I have set mine up, is in a small padded mailer, which is how I do my jeans. And we're all set. We're just going to check the photos are right. Yes, they are. And list it. So we are done with the listing side of it. Right. Your listing is now live. Hurly-dooly. We're done. So that's how you do it. And the thing to do is to just, there may be different boxes you would prefer to tick or leave out. So you just need to sort that out, go through, test them and untest them, and changes for different types of garments. And I will be doing a few other types of garments over the next week or so, in amongst some of my other videos, so that you can see how you can get the AI to give you the right listing. I've actually found using the AI actually gives me a better push. The eBay algorithm likes me to use the AI. And so it does give me a little bit of better ranking in the search results, I have found. That's my personal experience. Not sure whether it's yours, but that's what I have found. And then underneath, I can still add my normal little blurb in there. So that's why I have tried to work it out so that it will do it right. I'm a stickler for filling out the item specifics. I think it's important to fill out as many as you can correctly. However, if that then means you're going to get some ridiculous description that you then have to spend the next 5 minutes editing, there's really not much point. Get a little bit of lipstick off there. It becomes then, using the AI becomes more of a hindrance than a help, doesn't it? If it sounds silly, if it says things like handmade in Cambodia, well, they weren't handmade, my little AI friend. So that's why we adjust it so that it reads off as we need it to. And the same thing when you tick all the seasons. I mean, once upon a time, you could add your own little thing in there, which was all seasons, and tick that, and that's what it would say. It would just say suitable for all seasons, which was fine, but it's so ridiculous and wordy for it to say summer, autumn, winter, spring. You know, yeah, you just need to adjust things. So that is what we do, and the best way through it. So tomorrow, I'll love ya. Tomorrow, it's only a heartbeat away. Yeah, so tomorrow, I'll be back with another little video. And during that little video, while I'm talking about the topic, I will show you some of what I've sold over the weekend, which has been a quite good sales weekend on both eBay and Depop. So I will show you a few things that I've sold, as well as talk to you about a little something special. All right, boys and girls, that is it for me for another day, and I will see you tomorrow.